Hey guys, it's time to showcase another painting. We have a 10-inch by 10-inch canvas, and we have a beautiful red and yellow flower, and we're going to get up close so you can see the beautiful details. I'm outdoors so that you can pick up on the gorgeous metallics that's in this painting. I guess I'm going to just call it red and yellow flower. I don't really have any other ideas. If you have a suggestion, please feel free to leave it in the comments. This painting will be added to my Etsy shop, so be sure to go over and check that out. You can also see this painting created. If you search my videos, you'll be able to find the video showing when I made this beautiful painting, if you're interested. For now, I'm going to say goodbye. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. See you soon at another paint party. Bye-bye.